Americo, a world-renowned manufacturer of floor maintenance products and cleaning accessories, presents TurfScrub. The brush-type floor pad is designed to clean the cracks and crevices of uneven floor surfaces for unsurpassed cleaning results. This unique floor pad works like a brush by aggressively cleaning hard-to-reach areas, but with the ease of a pad. TurfScrub, a cost-effective, flexible pad, provides exceptional cleaning performance. It is ideal for heavy-duty cleaning of grouted tile and other textured surfaces. The texture of this pad gets down into deep grout lines and rough surfaces for thorough cleaning. Simply place the TurfScrub floor pad onto your machine. TurfScrub may be utilized with any standard speed machine. To get started, apply your choice of cleaning solution to the surface by mopping the floor or by machine. Slowly guide the machine in steady passes, ensuring that the entire surface is covered. If needed, continue to dispense the floor with cleaning solution, keeping the floor wet. TurfScrub pads are not laminated, allowing an unobstructed flow of water or cleaning solution when using an auto scrubber. Once the surface has been cleaned, remove all remaining dirty solution from the floor. If necessary, rinse the floor with clean water. TurfScrub is offered in a variety of sizes, including round, rectangular, and octopus pads for hard-to-reach places. TurfScrub has no surged borders, providing edge-to-edge cleaning power. The pad should be thoroughly cleaned after each use to prolong its life and efficiency. When cared for properly, the life expectancy is up to 300,000 square feet. TurfScrub is the high-performing and economical solution for any cleaning or scrubbing application, replacing expensive brushes. Americo takes the guesswork out of floor maintenance with a mobile app, designed to provide immediate advice from leading experts in the Jansan industry. To learn more about Americo's quality products, visit us at www.americomfg.com or at www.americofullcycle.com. Contact us today and let us show you the Americo difference.